Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and I've got some great news for you, especially if you like free software. First, a little bit of setup. A while back, we're talking in March of 2024, Canva, yeah, that Canva, purchased a company called Serif. Serif make a suite of tools called Affinity, and I use Affinity literally every single day. Affinity Designer for vector graphics, Affinity Photo for raster graphics, or kind of like a Photoshop alternative, and then Affinity Publisher like an Adobe Publisher alternative. And they made these three programs, well, a couple of months later, or technically a little bit over a year later, they made them all completely free, which was pretty freaking awesome. On top of that, quite a bit later, they actually took those three programs and merged them all together, and they still remain free to this day. You only have to pay for a Canva integration, which brings you some AI tools, and that's about it. So that was a really cool development, and well, it saves me about $100 a year, so I can't complain about that one. Well, now we're going to move on to today's news, and spoiler alert, yeah. So back in February 25th of 2026, Canva bought Cavalry. On top of that, they also bought Mango AI, but we're talking mostly about Cavalry here today because I bet you can guess how this turned out. So they bought this software. Cavalry is sort of like the closest alternative you're going to find to Adobe After Effects. Well, here is today's news. And by the way, this is all we've got. Literally this tweet from Cavalry. It's official, everyone. We're thrilled to share the news that Cavalry is now free. Download it and start creating at cavalry.studio. And then all we have is this. Literally, this is all we have. So let's go through it. So we've got a bunch of different screens, their logo, Cavalry, and then it comes up and says, Cavalry Pro is now free. No catch. All of the powerful features you know and love are now free. Part of Canva's belief that everyone should have access to the tools they need to do their best work. We're expanding access while continuing to invest in something that was very quick. And then download Cavalry at cavalry.studio. That's it. That's all we have. And I literally mean that is all we have. If we head on over to the Cavalry website, which I do have to admit is kind of awful, especially for a motion graphics software company, I'm a little underwhelmed by this page. Maybe it's just me. And as I say, literally, that's all we have. Let's go check out the news section of their website. And yeah, 2022. So literally no details about this. This is all we know about Cavalry right now being free. But that is pretty cool. I did a bit about Cavalry in that previous video. I will link that in the linked article down below if you want to see it hands-on. But the big thing you want to know is this software is more or less like the alternative to something like Adobe After Effects. So if you're trying to do motion graphics, mix 2D and 3D together, special effects, that is what this is all about. And yeah, so if you're doing 2D animations, you are going to appreciate Cavalry, especially now that it is available completely free. By the way, it is available for Mac OS and Windows. We don't know anything beyond that because, like I said, the only news we have is that tweet. But if you are in the market for free motion software and for some reason Cavalry doesn't do it for you, well, we're a little spoiled lately because on top of that, Maxon, the makers of Cinema 4D, Redshift, and other products, well, they released motion graphic software Autograph for free. So they made Autograph, the USD-based motion graphics, compositing, and visual effects software previously developed by Left Angle, available to download for free. Autograph 2026.0, the first version of the software to be released by Maxon, is now available free. This one isn't as just blanket free as we've got with Cavalry so far, to individual artists for use on commercial projects. So long as you're not part of a company, you can go ahead and use Autograph for free. So again, it's an alternative to After Effects for motion graphics and VFX Works. I was released first in 2023, pitched as a next-gen USD-based tool for motion design and visual effects. It uses layer-based compositing model with its timeline featuring a standard layer stack and dope sheet, but it combines 3D mode for manipulating 3D assets. Selling point includes native responsive design workflow geared towards artists who need to deliver a project multiple resolutions and aspect ratios from a single file. However, despite its obvious potential as an alternative to Adobe After Effects for artists who dislike Adobe subscription-only licensing, it was not commercially successful. So the original developer closed June last year, and the staff joined Maxon. So it is now there. It is going to get native integration with Maxon Studio. Also, the software was $299 when Left Angle closed. The price was initially much higher, available to individual artists for free. Again, only for artists, but if you're interested, Autograph is also now available for free. So if you are looking for an Adobe After Effects alternative, especially if you do not work at a larger company, you can also get Autograph completely for free. So a good day for motion design and animation workers out there, because you've got a lot of options out there now. Pretty cool. Again, we're still waiting for some details on Cavalry, and if there's any gotchas or catches or anything else. Literally all we have to go on is this tweet, which basically is stating that it is now free as well. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Good news. Everybody likes free, I tend to think, except for maybe Adobe. But let me know what you think. Have you used Cavalry or have you used Autograph? If so, let me know what you thought of them. Comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.